So this is pretty awesome. This is my first major invention, was this reimagined mini bike, which has a 5.0 pressure washer motor on it, chain drive with a clutch to a little go-kart tire there, on a swing arm that is aluminum tubing with wood on the inside. I made this about a year and a half ago. Out of just scrap material. I think a little kid donated this bike to me, and I traded it to a buddy for enough materials to make a couple more of these. This is my latest one right here. I went out and bought that bike brand new just to cut it in half. And this one has a 7.8 horsepower on it and a moped tire, a much bigger moped tire. And this has run before, and it was quite scary. But this is amazing. I bought this one back today from a friend of mine, but it's been through 3 other owners in the past year and a half, and the thing still ran today. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a Honda 5 horsepower motor, and somebody has painted it black, which isn't too bad. It used to be that orange right there. They've added pegs, they've added a speedometer, a kill switch, foot pegs, and a kickstand. Doesn't take much to build these. You just take the front end of a bicycle and take its peg assembly, its pedal assembly off, and retain a lot of the parts from the pedal assembly, because that will actually help you close the gap inside this hole right here that used to be here. But you're going to replace the pedals with just a straight heavy-duty bolt to attach your swing arm, which is just these squared steel tubing that you can get from Lowe's Hardware pretty cheap. These shocks are front shocks from a China quad. Blown up China quads, they come in handy for so many extra parts. And then there's a steel, or it might be actually, it's aluminum plate that I have that holds the 2 swing arms together in the middle right here, but it also holds the motor as well. And then all that's missing on this bike now is just a bolt to go through the swing arm and connect that tire. I've already adapted. This used to be a belt drive moped, but I've adapted a go-kart sprocket to it, so it'll be chain drive as well again. And it doesn't take much to attach the shocks. I just have it on this homemade U-bolt here. But see, that's steel square tubing from Lowe's. I don't know what this material came from on this swing arm. My wife, run away! She's YouTube shy. Let's go find her. The husky dog. There she is. Look at you. Look at that hot meal. 6:30 p.m. and we're eating this.
No, it's 5:30 p.m. We haven't changed. No, it is 6:30 p.m. I changed that clock. Sure did.
Hello.
Hello.
What? No, I did. Say hello. Speak. Kaya, speak. Good girl. Speak. Okay, speak. Turn around. Wrong one. Kaya, turn around. Good girl. Kaya, back up. Back up. Back up. Kaya, back up. Back up. Back up. Good girl. Speak. Good girl.